The scrapping of the asset. You click on the simulate. Right. So can you tell me what is the entry now? The entire amount, right? Loss on scrapping of the account. Okay. Total amount is the loss. So debit the accumulated depreciation, credit the asset account, and balance is the loss. Okay. This is asset retirement by scrapping. The entire asset value, net book value on the month end is scrapped. Okay. So here now you go like this. Okay. Slash n AW01. You can go there and you can see like this. Okay. So this is the building 3 extension is there. No? Building 3 extension is there. So if you see here, there are no values. So you can select no values. So posted values also you can see. There is no depreciation as such. Okay. Gone. Okay. So planned values. You come down here. Retirement of current year acquisition without revenue. Without revenue. Right. So retirement of current year acquisition without revenue. Right. Next. What is the next topic now? Next topic is transfer of the assets. Okay, asset transfer. No, put the heading asset transfer within the company. The company. That is ABU and no. Asset transfer within the company. Transfer within the company. Okay. So what is asset transfer? Asset transfer, first of all, we should understand that it is not the physical transfer. Right? We are not moving the asset from one place to another place. Right? I'm not talking about the physical transfer. Okay. Right. So physical transfer, even if I do, it is in the same company code. Na? Suppose I am moving the asset from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Then also it is in the same company code, right? So then why should I record it? So here we are not talking about the physical transfer of the asset. Right? So there are other reasons why we will do the asset transfer. Okay. One. What is the other reason? First one. One. One is want to when we have created the asset in the wrong asset class. We want to change the asset class of the asset. Secondly, when we want to asset into two or more assets. Right, no down. more. Why people are missing today? Is not started yet, no? Lot of time is there, no?
So in the sense, separate companies, sir, another different.
Within the company, correct? So here, you see, what is it? Transfer within the company. Okay, if it is outside the company code, it is not a transfer, it is a sale. Correct or not? Because we are closing the asset in this company code, opening in another company code. That is nothing but sale, no? Right? Like that. That is it.
If those companies are in same group, sir?
Same group also, we are not posting the financial entries together, no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Every even 1 rupee also you give to some other company code, you take it back, no? Because they are existing independently, right? Yeah, so same logic applies to asset. Yes.
Actually, regarding BRS, I spoke with the admin staff, sir.
We will.
They
Yeah,
are
next.
saying that
Hmm.
when the next batch, when the BRS topic will be repeated for the next batch, we are going to
Correct.
credentials
And
like
that is a good thing, no? Why? Because see, even that is a big topic, right? It will take 1 week, nearly 6 to 7 hours it will take.
Yes,
So
sir.
even if I take also, I have to cover it in 1 hour or 2 hours. No? It will be very, very fast for you.
Yes, sir.
So that is a better option actually. You will wait, definitely you know many batches are there. No? You will definitely, they will give you, right? Just wait for some time.
Okay, sir.
Scroll up, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you are using multiple screens at a time. I mean, sir, for suppose I posted FB60 vendor invoice. Same time I want to know, I want to show ABL one and line item. How it is? Can you show me once?
Have a session here. Okay? Create new session. Okay?
Okay.
Many screens you can open. Like this. Okay?
You can only create the 6 sessions at a time.
6 sessions.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Or there is one more option, right? Open another session like this. You have to /o is there, okay? /o.
Okay.
/o. I can go to SCHN something like. Okay, it will open directly or with a new screen. Okay, that is also possible. So /n means what? It will close the existing screen and it will go.
Okay.
Correct, like this. /o means what? It will open a new screen. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you show me the yesterday note class, sir? Because of network issue, I'm not able to attend the class yesterday.
1 minute. Let them take down this, then I will show.
Okay, sir. Is there any important sir class yesterday?
No, we had important discussion we had. Class
Okay.
did not happen yesterday, only discussion happened. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Regarding what? Yesterday I to absent yesterday.
So regarding general discussion, like, interviews, jobs and all. Okay, general.
Yesterday I go to the institute, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Asset transfer within the company. So we have created asset in the wrong class and we want to change it. So one by one I will discuss. Okay. First I will talk about this. First I will background noise. Okay. So go like this. Now, so first I am talking about this. Right, so understand. Suppose I will give you one example. Right? Suppose I have a mini truck here. Now this mini truck should be in which class? vehicles. But somebody who created the asset master, he thought that because it is mini, na, so he thought that it should be in the low value asset. Some other class is there, suppose. Okay, low value asset class is there. Suppose there is another class. It should be in the vehicles class, but it was created in the wrong class, low value asset class. Okay. So now what is happening? This mini truck, actually vehicles class number is, imagine vehicles class number is, series is 5 lakh to 59. Value assets, another class is there, that is say 7 lakh to 7999. Suppose this is the another class. Now this mini truck, what number it got? Because that guy created under low value asset, na? So this mini truck, it got the number. What number it will get? 7 lakh number it got. Okay, suppose. Now what is happening? Every time this is creating the problem. How it is creating the problem? Now just understand. Now for all the vehicles, we have motor insurance, right? Without motor insurance, can you run the vehicle? No. Right. So every year we are doing the motor insurance renewal. We are doing. But what is happening when we are doing the renewal? We are applying to what asset number?
5 lakh.
5 lakh. We are doing like this. And every year we are missing this mini truck. That is the problem. Okay, so already couple of years are over. Every year it is coming to our notice that this mini truck insurance has not been renewed. And last year also we had a problem, this year also we had a problem. So now we thought enough is enough, we have to shift this. So already one asset is running, but it is running in the wrong asset class. Because of that we are facing the problems. Now we want to shift this asset from the wrong asset class to right asset class. Okay. Now is it possible, can I change like this? No, not possible. How can I suddenly say, this is not 7 lakh, this is 5 lakh, how can I say?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Right. So that's why what we have to do, we have to do the transfer. So what we have to do? We have to create. So to make this happen, what we have to do? Right. To make this happen, what we have to do? First we have to create a new asset master for mini truck under vehicles class. Correct. Suppose that number I got some number, right? 5000 some number, 4 number. Correct. Now what I have to do now? Then I do the transfer. Right. I will do the transfer. How I will do the transfer? Transfer from 7 lakh to 5004. Correct. So then 7 lakh asset will become 0, and whatever values are there in 7 lakh 0, they will be coming under 5 lakh. Is it clear? That is what is the. So whatever is the asset values, whatever the acquisition values, whatever is the depreciation, everything it will move to 5 lakh. Okay, that is one purpose why we are doing the transfer. So transfer is not physical transfer. We are not moving from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Even if we move also, we don't have to record now because we are doing it in the same company. Whether it is in Bangalore or Hyderabad, from accounts point of view, any difference is there? No difference. Okay. So here transfer means what? Transfer means we are talking about the moving asset from one asset class to another asset class. Okay? Right. Note down. If you want to note down, then we will proceed. I will show you.
Sir, does it mean we are changing their number range from under one asset type from another? Assets class, sorry, assets class. One assets class to other assets class range number. Does it mean that, sir?
Yeah, I'm not changing the asset number range. I'm changing the asset number. Yeah, asset number range will remain the same, 5 lakh to 599 for the class. I'm only changing, moving assets from one class to another.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Sure, that 7 lakh number range will be 0, right? After the 7 lakh, we can use for another asset, right?
Why? There is any shortage of the numbers?
No, not like that. Previously, low value class is that there is a 7 lakh number range. We are moving that
Yeah, we are
to
closed it.
vehicles class. Yes.
We have closed it. So that number is gone. No? There is a record, we closed it.
Good.
So
Yeah.
that will be, so you can use for other assets, you can use some other number. No?
Good.
It will create confusion, right? That record will be there, it will be on record that this has been transferred to 5 lakh 4. Like that it will be recorded.
Good.
Right. So we are not
We
going
can
to
use from
split
7
it.
lakh 1.
Yeah, some other number. No? So that other asset is closed. Now we see, we have everything is on record in SAP. Right, it's not that, after I go now, can I use my 2 lakh 10 asset for something else because I sold it? This asset, already I sold it, right? It has become 0, right? Right or not? Did I sold this?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
This one. I think we have not posted the asset entry. Sale entry, customer entry yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir, we will.
Okay, you see, now this asset is there, this asset is there, this asset, it has become retired. Now, can I use this number for some other asset? No, its record is there, your number is there, name is there, this information is there forever. Okay, what happened to this asset? This is a record. You cannot use it for some other number, some other asset.
So what would be the capitalization date for new asset?
What is the
Capitalization date, sir, for new master
asset?
report.
As capitalization date is nothing but asset to put to use date, right? When I will start using it.
No, sir, I'm asking about we are transferring the new asset, sir. It has been used for 2 years. So once we are creating a new asset master record, so we have to mention it, right? So it will be taken as today or it will be taken as
Today only, no? Because we are transferring it from today, right? Yeah? It will take from
It's
today.
it's
the
already
new
been
mark.
depreciated, sir.
It's already been depreciated, but
It
while
has,
yeah, it has been depreciated. The depreciation data is in the last asset, no? That
Yes,
asset,
sir.
you see here also this 2 lakh one asset is there. This depreciation 110, it belongs to this number only, right?
yes, sir.
Already posted, you cannot change, no? You cannot go back and change everything, right? Impossible.
Yes, sir.
This 110 is recorded in this number only, right? So the depreciation is recorded in 7 lakh number only, right? How can you change that for posted data? There is
Yes, sir.
no point. Yes.
So net book value will be the acquisition value for new master record.
Correct. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
But did you record this so that we can proceed further? Yeah, understood the concept now? Okay. So now in our case, vehicles, no low value asset class is not there, no?
Yes, sir.
Not there. So what I will do is I will create one asset in the plant and machinery. I will move, so to just understand, we will change it to our example. So what I will do, there is one plant and machinery, right? There is one plant and machinery, but because it was on structurally it was looking like a building, it was created under the buildings asset wrongly. Okay, buildings class wrongly, right? So now we are moving it from buildings class to plant and machinery class. Okay, which asset is it? Let me check. Okay, so now I will
203 subasset 1.
203, subasset 1 already gone, na? Scrapped. 203.1, just now we have scrapped it. Retirement of current year acquisition without revenue, total loss. Okay, so we will take the sub asset, main asset itself. We'll see. Oh, 9 lakhs is there. Okay. What about the value here? Okay, 6 lakhs is good. Okay, okay, no problem. We can take this also. Now 9 lakhs, actually it is a plant and machinery. By mistake, it was created under buildings class. Is it clear? Okay?
Yes.
Now, so let us take this example, right? So now 2 lakh 3 asset is a buildings class wrongly. So this is the, which number? Which number we have it now? 2 lakh 3. Space 0. Main asset, okay? So now what I will do, under plant and machinery class, I will create a new asset master. Right? We will create a new asset master. What is the number for that?
3 lakh.
3 lakh 1, correct? Space 0. And then what I will do, I will transfer from 2 lakh 3 space 0 to 3 lakh 1 space 0. Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is the buildings class.
And then machinery.
Correct. Why? Because it was actually plant and machinery. Because the plant and machinery was in a building, we thought the entire set is a building, right? It's somebody's mistake. Okay, so it is a plant and machinery class. Okay. So now what I have to do, first I have to make my plant and machinery class ready now. Correct? So what I have to do for this class? What are the pending things that are left for this class?
We have
Master record.
depreciation area, sir.
What else is there? GL account is not there.
Yes, sir. We have
GL accounts not created. Assignment of accounts not done.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Yeah. So we have to do it from there. Okay. So now let us start. So tell me what I have to do.
GL account.
FS double zero, right?
Plant and machinery account.
Plant FS double. Correct. Good. Okay. Now what should I do?
Plant and machinery.
Plant and machinery accumulated.
Good. First I have to create the buildings. I will copy and I will give some other number, that is 200, 300. Enter, and here I will create the plant and machinery account. Okay, this is my plant and machinery account. Okay, then control data. INR only, everything else is the same, na? Ditto. Everything else is the same, only I am creating the asset and the plant.
Yes, sir.
Now see. Good. So plant and machinery account I have created. Next what I have to do?
Accumulated depreciation.
Accumulated depreciation.
Like this. Click on copy. Again I am changing 100, 300. Enter. Accumulated depreciation, what is this? Plant and
Plant and machinery.
yeah, note down, everything else is the same, right? So you will copy those accounts and create your own accounts. It all is the same. So these accounts are also ready now. Common GL accounts do I have to create again, or can I use the same?
We can use
Okay, next step what I have to do?
AO90.
Fashion AO90. Okay, so what is your chart of depreciation? E1, huh?
T only.
Just T.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So select the chart of accounts, click on the account determination. And then position, what is your account determination?
TAD3.
T83.
AD3, correct? Okay? Now click on the balance sheet accounts, okay? What is this? What is this?
Plant and machinery.
Plant and machinery account number.
Plant and machinery account number, right? What is the account number?
2 lakh.
2 lakh 300.
200, 300, right? Yeah. Then this one,
Exposition. Plant and
all these are same, na? Common GL.
Yes.
Same number. Okay, note down.
next depreciation.
So how I have done for the buildings class, same way I will do for the plant and machinery class also.
Sir, before this you selected and then you entered here, right? You selected 80, 83 and you entered.
Correct. Okay, now click on the depreciation, and here you have accumulated depreciation. What is my accumulated depreciation? My accumulated depreciation is
1,300,000.
1,300,000. Expense account is same, na? Depreciation expense. 4,500,000. Correct. Okay. So I am preparing the plant and machinery class also. So without doing all this, can I create a master record for plant and machinery?
No.
Right. Good. Next. Now,
Sir,
okay.
please change
Question.
800 to the screen T code, sir.
Yeah, this is sorry. Yeah, this is. Every time I'm changing it, it is going back. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right. So now, oh my God, if I open a new screen, it is going back to blank. Okay. So what is this? A190 completed, na?
Yes.
Next.
Question.
What else? Depreciation document I don't have to create, right? It is the same. Next.
OAY. Posting rules.
AYR not same for everything, na? Drawing of rules also same.
Way of payment.
Depreciation key, can we not use the same key? Yes, you can use that.
Yes, sir, we can use the same.
Okay? Right. So let us do it now. Okay, so let us go to AS01. Okay, what is my class now? Correct? You can select it from here also. Good. Press enter. Now go to master data. This is the TEE plant and machinery 1. Correct? Cap. So now I am coming here So here I am giving, so when I am going to start this, yeah, what day, yeah, whatever, the transfer date, we are giving 2 days. Okay, so I am creating the master record like this. Depreciation area, key I will give, T1, useful life, whatever I want to give, and then depreciation start date I am going to give like this. Okay, now. Okay, now save. So master record I have created now. So okay, one error I am getting. So how to solve this problem? Can you tell me?
So change it. We have to enter.
So change the we have to change the
AO to 1.
We have to create constant.
So you have to go to SPR.
SPR to go.
Okay.
Screen everything. Financial accounting. Asset accounting. Master data. Screen layout. Define screen layout for master. Screen layout master. Master data. Double click. Select it and double click.
Then
Position.
P.
EAD3.
P.
E3 right?
P.
screen.
And dependent data.
General
And dependent data.
And become
Dependent data.
Where is that asset screen gone? So,
dependent.
you see? You are doing for the plant and machinery screen. Because it is required here, it is asking there, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay, next. Now tell. Again I will go there.
Master data.
Instead of making it optional, shall we create it now? First simple.
Sir, we have an insurance tab also there.
Capitalized.
Yeah, you can give. If you want to give, you can give. If you don't give, it's not a required field, okay? It's up to you.
Insurance field, no?
Insurance also is there. Whatever you want to give, you can.
Sir, general data capitalization didn't get so.
Yeah, because it is not required now. If it is required, I would have given. Yeah? It's not required here. Okay, no problem. Even if you give also, it will take. Don't give also, it will take. Certain appreciation started I am giving, okay?
So period 0.
Zero, give or not give, it is zero only, no? Stay.
Yes.
Correct. So what is this? This is a plant and
Asset class.
so any values are there in this asset now?
No, sir.
AW01 and yeah, 3 lakh. See, no values. No values. Correct? Absolutely no values. So what I will do now, then how do we get the values here?
Transferring the asset.
No, 2,30,000 asset is there. For that, all the values are here only, right? 9 lakh. All the values are here. It is in the wrong class. It is in the wrong class. So all the values are here. Correct. Yeah. So posted values, all the values are here. Correct. Yeah. Right. Okay. All the values are here. Okay. Now you do what? Right. You do
Transfer.
You have to transfer
action.
ABUMN.
ABUM. Okay. Now the document date I am giving as today's date, asset transfer within the company. Okay, document date I will give, asset value date I will give. What date value you want to take, that value only it will take. Okay, if you want to take the value date on 1st February, it will take that value. Okay, now existing asset or a new asset?
Existing.
Already we created asset now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the number?
2 lakh.
2 lakh.
Study, this is the transfer, this is a from, this is a from, this is a to, transfer to.
3 lakh.
3 lakh 1.
3 lakh.
Correct? This is from this asset to this asset, transfer to. Okay, 3 lakh 1, okay? Now press enter.
The transfer to means new asset, no sir?
Correct. Now, from this asset to which asset?
Initially we gave, sir, asset number 2 lakh 3.
In new class, that is a new asset, no sir?
New class, this is a,
So in new class, we are transferring to existing assets, sir. Then we need to select existing asset. We are transferring new class in new asset, no sir?
so no,
3 lakh 1 is my intention is 3 lakh 1 is new asset.
let me complete, then your doubt will be cleared. Okay, see, if you have already created the master record, then you will give the number here. If you have not created the master record, from here also you can create the new master record. That is the only difference.
Oh, okay, okay.
So both are transferring to the new asset only. But if you have already created the master record for it, then you will select it from here. That is the only difference.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So from here also you can create the master record. That is what it is. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
So why did you give the asset value of Feb? We are transferring today, na?
If you transfer today, again that corrections and all those will be there.
Repeat run.
Repeat run you have to do. If you are ready for it, we can do. No problem. Correct? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so we will do that also. No problem. I will do today only. Today's value I will do. Okay? No problem. Yeah. Okay, so this is the round differentiation. 12, na? Okay, asset to transfer to plant and machinery class. Okay, good. Okay? Right. Now,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, sir.
Why we need to do repeat and all if we do the asset, give the asset value today?
This question is for everyone.
Sometimes
He already finished
Okay.
two posters
So
are
last class we have done, na? Last class, did you miss the last class?
Yes.
Maybe you must have missed.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that is the problem.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, see, we have posted it till 31st January, na? The depreciation we posted it till 31st. Already posted, right?
Yes.
And you are selling before 31st, na? 12th only you are selling, right? So this excess depreciation
Okay.
charge, na, till that we have to reverse. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now simulate. Okay? Right. So this 123 is the depreciation in the 2 lakh asset, right? So in the 2 lakh 3. So how many days it was there? Those many days it will take there. Other depreciation it will take into our new class. Okay? Nice. So now see it.
Sir.
Yes.
As we gave today's value date, so up to today will be added to the new class and the remaining one will be added to the next period of the new class only or to the old class.
Up to today it will be taken into old asset. Correct? And from today onwards new asset.
Okay.
I am talking about only depreciation.
Yeah, sir.
Now, see, that's why we cannot use the old asset for some other thing because there is a recording. Correct? Yeah, depreciation is posted and all. Okay. Now see, done. Asset posted with this transaction. Okay, so if I go to AW01N now, If I look in my buildings value, you see what happened here? No values. Only 1, 2, 3, 3 depreciation is there. This is for how many days depreciation it is? How many days? 7th till 12th. 5 days. Got it? Correct? So everything wiped off from me. So if I go to posted values also, correction entry will be there. You see, I was talking about this one. Because this 6164 is a depreciation up to 31st January. But you are transferring the asset before 31st January. Na? So this is the excess. All that will be reversed. And where this will go now? Can you tell me where this depreciation will go?
Accumulated depreciation.
3,01,000. Okay? Yeah. You see now? So here, why I am getting here 1183? So many things you see.
The balance is being
4,000 is added, sir.
Yeah, that 4,000 is added to the 10th period. 4,000 is added to the 11th period.
11th period.
But end of the
If
day,
you do the
what?
repeat run, it will not transfer, right?
Correct. It will go to 10th period and balance it will show in the 11th period. Correct.
Yes.
So now you understood the values have automatically come to my plant and machinery class, right? You see this? Correct? Perfect? Yeah. So like this we will do the transfer. Okay? Yeah. So I will do
Before
the
the transferring, we need to do repeat run or after the transfer?
this question is for everybody. Why we will do
After the transfer.
After the transfer.
even if you do before also no use, na? Correct?
Okay.
Yeah, because there are no corrections to make, na? It will not do any correction. You should do after. Okay? No. Okay, so where I should do the correction entry now? What is the T code?
ASAB.
Aim.
Yeah.
ASAB.
ASAB. Correct? Repeat I have to do. Okay, then I will give the posting period. What is the period?
10.
10th period. I am going for the repeat option. Correct? List assets.
Exist.
Test run. Correct? Yeah, execute.
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Execute.
Yes.
Okay? Clear? So this is the plan amount, this is the amount posted, this is the amount to be posted. Correct? So here if you observe here, 4931 is adding here, 4931 is minusing here, you see? So actually it is the same amount. So from one place it is getting deducted, another place it is getting added, correct?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Why this is like this? Because the depreciation rate is the same, na? Yeah, because it is the same asset, same asset. Okay?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
actually our asset is settlemented. So that time how we will do, sir?
That is settlemented means?
Our asset is sending to settlement.
What settlement?
That's sir.
No. He's talking about something else. Please tell me.
Actually, sir, the T code is AST, I think press ABST, sir, once.
ABST, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Consistency check of general ledger and asset accounting. If there is any problem, correct, your GL account and your asset accounting is a mismatch, then you will do the reconciliation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I know you are talking about AF something like that, ABAU or something. See, that is the AUC settlement you are talking. Okay.
Yes,
I will
sir.
cover that. I will cover that when we are doing still there is time for that. Okay.
Yeah, okay, thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in this way, the old asset as well as like receiving the certain machinery both are having the same rate of depreciation. In case if there is some depreciation,
Okay, let me come. So this is AIAB you are talking. Okay. I will cover this later. Okay. Now you cannot do this now. You need you also for this.
okay. Thank you.
So you are talking about what now? You are talking about why the depreciation rate if it is different now.
Yes, sir.
Because your question is wrong. Why? Because it is the same asset, na? My truck is the truck only, na? My plant and machinery is plant. So because I am changing the asset class, I am not changing the depreciation rate. It is the same asset.
Okay.
Correct or not? My asset is not changing, na?
Yes,
If my asset is not changing, my depreciation also will not change, right?
yes, sir. No, sir. Actually, different assets may have different depreciation rates, no? For vehicles, one rate will be. For buildings, one rate will be.
Yeah, but this is the asset. If it is different means what? You can give different also. No problem.
It will give another depreciation key.
It will give another depreciation
Depreciation.
another depreciation calculation will happen.
And for the excess amount, again we have to do the run.
Of course, that is there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now let us go to the AFAB. Okay, then do the posting run again 10th period, repeat run I am doing. Okay.
Yes.
Already I have done, I believe, right? This
Yes.
yes,
sir.
Remote test.
test run we have to, okay. Actual run we have
Go by.
remove the test run, execute the program in the back end, go to program, execute in background,
And
change
save system
okay, now go to system,
services
Jobs.
job overview execute.
correct?
It took 4 seconds.
Now let us see what has happened. 3 lakh one asset, you go to posted values, you can see, corrected now?
Yes, sir.
Previously it was showing everything in the 11th period, now it is showing in the 10th period.
Yes.
Good. So what happened to our previous asset, 2 lakh 3 asset? That also it will do the correction. Okay, no exception. Yeah. It has been correct. So my TE building 3 has been nullified. Only depreciation posting is left there, and it has been moved to the building plant and machinery class. Okay. Right. Next. So the next transfer also we have to discuss, right? What is the next transfer? Why we are doing the transfer? Next one. What is the reason why we are doing the next transfer is?
We want
One more. So one asset is there, I want to split it into 2 or more assets. Either I want to sell it off or I want to manage it, right? So one half I want to depreciate 10%, another half I want to depreciate 15%. So those adjustments I want to do, I want to split the asset into 2 parts. Okay, suppose, yeah, one building is there. Now what happened was, that building has got both commercial and residential. Okay, so now this is creating problem, right? So a part of it is commercial, a part of it is residential. So what we are doing, okay, what we will do, commercial component, because the taxes, everything rates are different. So better take that part separately, otherwise we are ending up recognizing entire building as a commercial. Correct now? So this is too much. So what I want, only that part which is commercial, I want to treat it separately. Balance whatever is the residential, I want to treat it separately. So in that case, I want to split the building into two parts. Correct? May not be physically, but accounting wise I want. Okay? So that is the splitting of the asset into two or more. You can do it in three parts. So proportionately what it will do, it will take the
Sitting in
value.
the same class, sir.
Same class, correct. Sitting in the same. Okay? If it is any other class, then again you have to do the transfer.
More than two also we can split, sir.
More than two also, yes. Two or more.
So then we need to split the value of that asset also, not sir? In equal parts.
Yeah, value only we are splitting. No, we are not physically cutting them off. No, value only. We are splitting into value only. We are splitting the value into different parts.
Okay,
Correct.
sir. No, sir, I mean there might be the commercial area, the value is different, and the other part, its value might be different. Like
Yeah, end of the day it is value only, right? Yeah, percentage, that is what you will mention. How much you want. So we are not dividing 50-50. Whatever you specify, it will divide accordingly. Okay? You want to put to 10-90 also, you can. Okay? So we will see this tomorrow, okay guys?
Sir.
Yes.
Splitting will be
Can
done
give the
in
definition
case
of
of
value
building,
rate.
right?
Definition of?
Value rate.
We will see tomorrow, okay guys? Yeah,
Sir,
tomorrow just
please.
remind.
Okay, sir, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you
Sir,
guys.
sir, the transaction code is here, ST, sir.
We will see tomorrow, okay guys? Yeah. Thank you.